If you're wondering if Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus does support reverse charging, first of all, we'll need to open the settings on our device. We can then go into the battery options, and here we can find the wireless power sharing, which is reverse charging for wireless version, but also we can try to use it with the actual cable. So here I have the cable, which is double time USB-C. So we're gonna plug one end to the Samsung right here, and then the other end to my phone. That way we'll be able to see if this phone can charge. So yes, it can be charged with other devices, and you can also do it in reverse. If you click on the USB settings while the other phone is plugged in, you can charge the other device with it, as you can see. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.